everyone, I am Arika Yadav. Welcome you all in RES News channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news. Raj English School alumnus selected as a scientist engineer at ISRO. Safal examination successfully conducted at Raj English School. Now some CBSE related news. CBSE Class 12 Political Science Sample Paper Guide has been released. CBSE won against unauthorized sports event. Now some national news. ED raid across 3 states in 1000 crore cough syrup racket. Leopard attack injures forest worker in Rajasthan. Now some international news. Nobel Peace Laureate Narges Mohammadi rearrested in Iran. European political and Ukraine diplomacy developed. Now some entertainment news. Gujarati film Lala Krishna Sada Sahayate become major hit. Alia Bhatt sing at Red Sea Film Festival. Now some sports news. Lionel Messi's India Tour event in Kolkata turns chaotic. National Transgender Sport meet to be held in Raipur. Now some Scout and Guide news. Environment awareness activities drives by guides. School level Scout Guide enrollment drives ongoing. Now some educational news. NCERT launches online science teaching diploma. India launches AI Health Education Center at IISc. Now some other news. Japan hits by powerful 7.6 earthquake on 8 December. Seaward Pacific Northwest flood ongoing from 8 December. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail, starting with some of the school news. Raj English School proudly congratulates to its star alumnus Suraj Kumar Mishra of batch 2012-13 on his selection as scientist engineer at ISRO, securing an impressive All India rank 18. The CBSE Safal structured assessment for analyzing learning examination was conducted smoothly and successfully at Raj English School. Now some CBSE related news. Official sample paper for CBSE Class 12 Political Science 2026 has been released. CBSE has issued a warning to school not to participate in unauthorized CBSE WSO sport activities after the cancellation of the society's registration, safeguarding official sport event standards. Now some national news. The Enforcement Directorate conducted major raid in UP, Jharkhand and Gujarat, targeting a codeine-based illegal cough syrup trafficking network worth about 1000 crores. In Rajasthan district, a leopard attacked a forest department team, injuring 4 workers before the animal was later found dead. Now some international news. Iran reportedly rearrested Narges Mohammadi, the Nobel Prize winner human rights activist, during a memorial event, drawing international condemnation from right group and the Norwegian Nobel Committee. European leaders discuss use of frozen Russian assets to support Ukraine's economy. Zelensky is planning high-level talk with EU and NATO partners amid ongoing war and peace negotiations. Now some entertainment news. The Gujarati film Lalo Krishna Sada Sahayate climbed to hit the 38th biggest hit of the year. At the International Red Sea Film Festival, Alia Bhatt delivered a heartfelt performance by singing a Malayalam lullaby by K.S. Chitra, reflecting her cultural connection and delighting audience. Now some sports news. Messi's appearance at Salt Lake Stadium sparked unrest as fans, frustrated by his brief public time and poor crowd management, vandalized seat and clashed with police. Organizers were detained and an investigation launched. Raipur will host a national transgender sport competition on 19th and 20th December, promoting inclusivity and athlete excellence with the competitors from across India. Now some Scout and Guide news. Guides organized plantation drive and awareness rallies promoting environmental protection. Many schools announced fresh enrollment for Scouts and Guides, encouraging students to join character building and leadership focused program. Now some educational news. NCERT has opened registration for a diploma in science teaching from class 6 to 8 aimed at strengthening science pedagogy for teachers. The Ministry of Education has set up a new AI in Healthcare Center of Excellence at IISc Bengaluru. Now some other news. A strong magnitude 7.6 earthquake struck off Aomori Prefecture, Japan, generating small tsunamis and prompting warning in various coastal areas. An intense atmospheric river caused major flooding across western Washington, USA and British Columbia, Canada. That's all for today. Thank you and stay connected with RES News Channel.